Namaskar, this is Tikam Singh from Bhavara Deva Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Our school presented an English exhibition on dated 29th of this month. In this exhibition, students presented so many stall activities and the stage performances. The main aim of this exhibition just only to provide a stage for the students where they can exhibit their innovation, their curiosity outside the circumference of the classes. In these activities, first of all, students presented the stall activities where in stall activities students exhibit tic-tac-toe, amazingly glimpses of epics and fine and touch, so many activities through the stalls. Later, the stage performances were presented. In the stage performances, first of all, a fantastic showcase of culture programs like the Damodar Leela was presented. Later, Admit show and the courtroom drama named as Silent Cry was presented, and a patriotic play, Operation Sindoor, was also domestic for the all. Finally, Chief Guest Sriman Pradeep Ji, Prantya Sangathan Mantri Ji, presented too much motivational speech where he presented clear-cut message to learn English but not to adopt the English culture. In his speech, he emphasizes over some power on which the entire world is working, like the economical power, military power, information technology power and the sports power. But only power as Indian we have, that is the spiritual power.
अंग्रेजी सीखनी है, बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी सीखनी है, अंग्रेजी कल्चर नहीं सीखना। जग सिर मोर बनाने के लिए 5 चीज़ों की पावर चाहिए। पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर 4 चीज़ों की पावर है। पहला है आर्थिक शक्ति, इकोनॉमिकल पावर, उसमें भी होल्ड लगी हुई है। दूसरा है सैन्य शक्ति, मिलिट्री पावर, उसमें भी पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी हुई है। तीसरा है ज्ञान और तकनीक की शक्ति, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्निकल पावर, उसके अंदर भी पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी हुई है। और चौथा है स्पोर्ट्स पावर, खेलों की शक्ति। हमें इन चारों में तो नंबर 1 बनना ही है, इन चारों में तो पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी है। परंतु एक 5वीं शक्ति जो सबसे ऊपर है वो केवल भारत के पास है, दुनिया में और किसी के पास नहीं है। उसमें हमने सबसे आगे जाना है, वो है हमारी आध्यात्मिक शक्ति। इन 5 शक्तियों के आधार पर हमने भारत को जग का सिरमौर बनाना है, नंबर 1 देश बनाना है।
Entire exhibition was overjoyed by all the students along with the manager Sri Ram Varun ji, treasurer Dr. Manu Umesh ji and other committee members and renowned social personalities along with the English orientation program head Sriman Dharamveer ji and Deepak Sharma ji along with principal Somgiri ji. Let's have some glimpses.
दीपज्योतिः नमोस्तुते शुभं करोतु कल्याणम् आरोग्यं सुखसम्पदः द्वेषबुद्धिविनाशाय आत्मज्योतिः नमोस्तुते आत्मज्योतिः प्रदीप्ताय ब्रह्मज्योतिः नमोस्तुते ब्रह्मज्योतिः प्रदीप्ताय गुरुर्ज्योतिः नमोस्तुते sung. Your glory is sung across the three worlds. You are the embodiment of the heavenly world. You hold the Veena scriptures and a garland in your hand. Your pure white form is serene and beautiful. You are seated on a lotus, radiant and fair. Your sight dispels the darkness of ignorance. The sun, the moon, and the god of fire. You are the eternal primordial power. You are the goddess of speech, music, and arts. From you emanates all knowledge and learning. He upon whom you bestow your marriage dance becomes a wise saint, eloquent and renowned. O Mother, please grace me with your compassion. Remove the laziness and ignorance within me. Grant the light of the knowledge and discernment. May my mind always be devoted to you. This song is the source of happiness and peace. Chanting it destroys all sins and obstacles. The one who recites it with faith and devotion gains knowledge, prosperity, and ultimate liberation. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Anuj from class 12B. Feeling very fortunate and happy to announce that first time the students of Bhavrav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir going to organize the Bliss of English in our school, in which many students participated in different activities. So now for the introduction of chief guest, I would like to invite our principal sir.
वंदनीय माँ शारदे, परम पवित्र ओम, जगत जननी भारत माता को नमन। आज के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय प्रदीप गुप्ता जी, आप मूलतः दिल्ली के रहने वाले हैं। आपने बीकॉम CS की परीक्षा शिक्षा ग्रहण करने के बाद लगभग 2.5 वर्षों तक, यानी कि 1994 से 99 तक आप दिल्ली में संघ प्रचारक रहे। फिर 1999 से 2010 जम्मू कश्मीर प्रांत में जिला प्रचारक, विभाग प्रचारक, फिर 2010 से 2023 तक विद्या भारती जम्मू कश्मीर प्रांत में ही आप प्रांतीय संगठन मंत्री रहे। 1 वर्ष तक आप CSR के अखिल भारतीय संयोजक भी रहे हैं। 2024 से आप मेरठ प्रांत के आदरणीय प्रांत संगठन मंत्री हैं और उसके साथ साथ अखिल भारतीय अभिलेखागार के आप संयोजक भी हैं। आपका विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन। आपके स्वागत के लिए मैं अपने विद्यालय के प्रबंधक श्री राम वरुण सिंह जी, जो मेरठ प्रांत के प्रांत मंत्री भी हैं, भाई साहब से आग्रह करता हूं कि भाई साहब का स्वागत करने की कृपा करें। अपने मध्य डॉक्टर उमेश वर्मा जी भी हैं। आप लंबे समय तक एजुकेशन में रहे, डिग्री कॉलेज में आप शिक्षाविद भी हैं। आपके स्वागत के लिए मैं अपने प्रबंध समिति से विजय कुमार जी, जो IG रहे हैं CRPF में और लंबे समय तक ITBP में रहे, आपसे स्वागत के लिए आपसे आग्रह करता हूं। अपने मध्य OP गोयल जी भी हैं। आप शिक्षाविद भी हैं, बिजनेसमैन भी हैं। आपके स्वागत के लिए मैं अपने विद्यालय के कोषाध्यक्ष डॉक्टर मनुमेश जी से आग्रह करता हूं, भाई साहब का स्वागत करने की कृपा करें। अपने मध्य सतवीर जी भाई साहब हैं, SSK इलेक्ट्रिकल के आप बिजनेसमैन हैं, समाज सेवी भी हैं। आपके स्वागत के लिए अपने प्रबंध समिति से ज्ञान प्रकाश गुप्ता जी से आग्रह करता हूं कि भाई साहब का स्वागत करने की कृपा करें। अपने मध्य 2 अन्य परिचय भी हैं, जो अपना इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन चलता है 2 क्षेत्रों को मिलाकर, उसके जो कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं अपने मध्य उपस्थित हैं, धर्मवीर जी एक बार खड़े हो जाएंगे। और साथ में अपने विद्यालय के पहले पीजीटी थे, लेकिन अब एकेडमिक इंचार्ज हैं दीपक शर्मा जी। आपका भी बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत। और इन दोनों क्षेत्रों से जो भी अध्यापकगण आए हैं, पीछे हमारे बैठे हुए हैं, सभी का बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत, अभिनंदन। ये कार्यक्रम हम आप लोगों को इसलिए दिखा रहे हैं कि आप भी अपने विद्यालय में इंग्लिश की इस टाइप की कोई एक्टिविटी अवश्य कराएं। अन्य अपने विद्यालय के आचार्य बंधु बहनें, प्यारे बच्चों, आगे के कार्यक्रम के लिए।
Thank you, sir. As we know, in our country, we started or inaugurated an event from the name of Supreme Lord Krishna. Entire universe, nature and demigods work under the guidance of him. They get power and energy from him. There are lots of Leelae which were done by him in Dwapar Yuga. In one of them is most beautiful Leela of our beloved little Krishna, that is Sri Damodar Leela. Let me share this beautiful Leela to you in more detail. On the sacred day of Amavasya, in the divine month of Kartik, it is celebrated. Damodar Leela is pastime when Mother Yashoda tied little Krishna to grinding mortar, also be called as okhal in Hindi, with rope because he was very naughty, stealing butter and troubling gopis. The very same day when festival of light, Diwali, is celebrated, this most sweet pastime of our beloved little Krishna took place, where every evening the devotees light lamps in honor of the Lord and lovingly sing beautiful Damodar Ashtakam. So now let us witness this beautiful Leela more closely.
In the holy town of Vrindavana, there lived a naughty yet most lovable child, little Krishna. He was the soul of his mother Yashoda, the pride of the Gokul villagers and the mischievous butter thief of every household. But this butter thief was not an ordinary boy. He is the love of his mother Yashoda, the pride of the Gokul villagers and the mischievous butter thief of every household. But this butter thief was not an ordinary boy. He is the Lord of the universe, yet bound by the love of his mother Yashoda.
Two gopis walks in, talking about how they might protect their butter from mischievous Kanha and his band of cowherd friends. He is the key. This Yashoda Nandan always steals our makhan and even feed it to his friends and monkeys.
Yes, and when we complain about this, even Yashoda doesn't believe us.
Today, I will hide my makhan in such a way that Krishna would never find it.
Don't you know your Krishna? He never leaves without taking makhan. He is so mischievous, you will see.
Alright, fine, but at least I will try to save my butter.
They search for the place to hide the makhan. Finally, decides to put the butter pot under a table and cover it with a cloth and exits.
Later on, Krishna enters with his friends. They search for the butter pot everywhere. But couldn't find it. And suddenly Krishna notices the table and take out the butter pot while smiling sarcastically.
Look, these gopis have become so clever these days. Look, these gopis have become so clever these days. They have worked so hard just to save the butter from us. Yes, but all the gopis' hard work proved to be in vain. Krishna becomes very happy. His face glows with joy as he tastes the makhan. He shares the fresh makhan with his friends and monkeys and even feeds them by his soft hands.
Suddenly, the gopi returns and is shocked to see what's happening. Kanha, what is this? Again you're stealing makhan? After all my hard work to hide it from you?
Sakhi, I was only making sure the butter is safe, and who else can protect it better than me?
Yes, Shakhi, and I am helping Kana. Otherwise, he will get tired protecting so much butter all alone. Angry and determined, the gopi grabs little Krishna by the hand, Without listening to his excuses, she drags him straight to Mother Yashoda.
Yashoda, here Yashoda, look what I've caught your Kanha attended today. Maya Yashoda comes out to see what's happening.
But as the angry Gopi drags Kanha to Mother Yashoda, a divine play of Yogmaya begins. The moment she shows Krishna's face to Yashoda, everyone is shocked, for it is not Krishna standing there but her very own son.
Yashoda, I swear, it was Krishna. He was stealing butter with his friends, but this is my child. How can this be?
Sakhi, your love for Kanha makes you imagine him everywhere. So go home now and take care of your own son. You always try to blame my Kanha for everything.
Krishna runs towards her and says,
Look, Gopi, today it's your son, but next time it will be your husband.
Oh Lord.
The Gopi takes her child and leaves. After she goes, Mother Yashoda returns to the kitchen, puts the milk on the stove to boil. Now that she has left, let me finish my work. I must boil the milk for Krishna and also prepare some fresh butter for him.
And then Maya Yashoda sits down to churn the butter. Krishna enters.
Maya, where are you?
Kanha, I am here.
Maya, I am hungry. I need food.
Kanha, come sit here. Do you want to have butter or milk?
Maya, Makhan.
Let me feed my adorable Kanha.
Mother Yashoda lovingly feeds butter to little Krishna. Krishna smiles sweetly. His eyes are twinkling with mischief and delight. As she continues to feed him, suddenly the sound of milk boiling over comes from the kitchen. Yashoda looks worried.
Oh no, the milk is boiling over. I must go quickly.
She gently kisses Krishna's side and rushes to the kitchen. Krishna's smile slowly fades. His eyes fill with tears. He looks upset and crosses his little arms.
Maya left me. She chose the milk over me. Oh, Maya is giving more importance to milk than me. Now I will show. What can I do?
He crawls towards the pot of butter, picks up a stone and breaks it open. Butter spills out. Krishna looks happy and he takes a handful, eating some and feeding the rest to the monkeys around. The monkeys clap and jump with joy.
See, the monkeys love my butter more than anyone. Come, eat my friends.
Mother Yashoda enters.
Krishna again, you naughty child, always stealing butter.
Ma, I did not eat it. Maybe the monkeys did.
Yashoda sees butter all over Krishna's mouth. She takes a stick and chases him. Krishna runs frightened. But finally Yashoda catches him.
Mother, I was just sharing it with my friends.
Mother, angry yet loving, Mother Yashoda tried to punish her little boy. She decided to tie him with a rope.
They always complain about you, but I never say anything to you. You must learn your lesson today. I will tie you.
Maya Yashoda tries to tie Krishna, but every time the rope is short.
Strange, every rope is 2 fingers short.
She looks astonished, tying again and again until Krishna allowed himself to be bound.
Okay, Maya, tie me.
Thus, he became known as Damodara, the Lord tied by ropes.
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानां यशोदाभियो लोकनाथवमानां परं दृष्टमत्यन्ततो धृत्य
anyone tell me what the two finger gaps in this Leela actually represent? Allow me to share. The two finger gap symbolizes two things in this Leela. One is the efforts of the devotees and the other is mercy of the Lord. No matter how many ropes Mother Yashoda tried, but she could never bind beloved Krishna, because the Lord can never be bounded by strength or by ropes. He can only be bounded by the ropes of pure love and devotion. Now I am going to tell you from which date this month is going to be started. Damodar month is going to be started since 6th of October 2025 to 4th of November 2025. During this time, we should offer Deep Dan daily to Damodar Bhagwan at our home with each family member. Now repeat after me, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
A bright and glowing good morning to all present here. I am Prachi Sharma, a student of class 10th B. We would like to thank our principal sir for providing us with a wonderful opportunity to organize English exhibition.
Today we are going to
Dive in a world of time.
let us call upon the stage
Members of our grammar group.
Good morning, everyone. Today we will explore the world of tenses. They are the key to express time and ideas in English. Tenses are the backbone of English. They tell us when something happening in the present, past, or future. Without tenses, sentences are incomplete. Let's master them step by step. Present simple. Present simple shows actions happening right now. Present continuous shows actions that are happening right now. Past simple shows action that will happen. That had happened before. Past continuous shows actions that are in the progress. Future simple shows action that will happen later. Future continuous shows action, ongoing future action. Together they make communication more accurate. Thank you for listening us.
Words that dance, lines that shine. Yes, it's time for rhyme time.
Our activity is the 10 song, a melodious way to learn grammar.
I dance and play and sing each day. I dance and play and sing each day. I run so fast along the way. I run so fast along the way. This is what I do and say. This is what I do and say. In the present, comfort me. In the present, comfort me. Comfort me. Comfort me. Now I am dancing on the floor. Now I am dancing on the floor. I am running to the door. I am running to the door. I am singing more and more. I am singing more and more. An action happening, I implore. An action happening, I implore. I implore. I implore. Yesterday I danced all night. Yesterday I danced all night. I ran so fast with all my might. I ran so fast with all my might. I sang a tune with all my light. I sang a tune with all my light. An action done, a wonderful sight. An action done, a wonderful sight. A wonderful sight, a wonderful sight. I was dancing in the hall. I was dancing in the hall. I was running from a fall. I was running from a fall. I was singing loud and tall. I was singing loud and tall. An action going on a memory to recall. An action going on a memory to recall. Memory to recall. Memory to recall. Tomorrow I will dance so grand. Tomorrow I will dance so grand. I will run across the land. I will run across the land. I will sing with my whole band. I will sing with my whole band. An action waiting at my command. An action waiting at my command. At my command. At my command. I will be dancing on the stage. I will be dancing on the stage. I will be running page by page. I will be running page by page. I will be singing like a sage. I will be singing like a sage. An action in progress for our future age. An action in progress for our future age. For our future age. For our future age. I dance each morning bright and new. I dance each morning bright and new. I am dancing now, it's really true. I am dancing now, it's really true. I danced last week for me and you. I danced last week for me and you. 3 different times for things I do. 3 different times for things I do. Things I do. Things I do. I run each morning quick and free. I run each morning quick and free. I am running right now, come with me. I am running right now, come with me. I ran yesterday, you did agree. I ran yesterday, you did agree. 3 different ways for all to see. 3 different ways for all to see. All to see. All to see. All to see. All to see.
Music gives a soul to the universe,
Wings to the mind
flight to the imagination.
and life to everything.
Thank you so much. Now it's time to call Shaurya and Kinjal to conduct our next activity.
Good morning, everyone.
A warm welcome to our honored chief guest, respected principal sir, beloved teachers, and dear students.
We are the
The
students of class 8C.
8C.
I am Kinjal Sinha,
And I am Shaurya Rawat,
your anchorer for today's activity. To begin with, we thank Principal Sir and Deepak Sir
to give us this wonderful opportunity to express ourselves.
We are thrilled to host the Ad Match Show, a creative English activity presented by the talented students of Class 8C.
Thoughtfully guided by our dedicated English teacher.
This engaging event promises to showcase captivating performances and innovative advertisements.
Sure to entertain and inspire us all.
Let's come together to applaud the hard work and creativity of our young performers.
As they take stage in the assembly hall today.
So, our first product is biscuit.
It's my biscuit. It's my biscuit.
No, I want this biscuit.
I want this.
La 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 la.
It's my biscuit.
It's
and I want
mine.
this biscuit.
It's
no,
mine.
no.
Oh.
Yay, my
No.
biscuit.
I want this biscuit.
Oh, my biscuit.
My biscuit. अरे उस कुत्ते को बुलाना कोई.
My biscuit.
Hey, what are you two doing?
I want this biscuit.
Wait, let's settle this fight in a better way. I have an option.
Option? What option, sir?
Have it.
Moi Moi biscuit? What is special about this, sir?
It is full of energy of glucose. It is a nutritional dose.
Oh, it's mango flavor. I love this.
Oh wow, it's an orange flavor. I also like that.
Cookies dancing in your hand. Brighty tighty, tastes so grand.
Moi Moi chocolate craze melts in mouth in sweetest way.
Moi Moi biscuit.
The next product is toothpaste.
What happened, Aditi?
Didi, I have cavity.
Do you brush twice a day, Aditi?
No, Didi.
That's the reason you have cavity in your teeth.
So what should I do, Didi? I have best option for you, Aditi. What is best option, Didi? Cavity clown. What is this, Didi? Makes cavity frown, teeth brighter shine. Please with a happy sound, smile is spinning around. No teeth, no cavity.
Now our next product is hair oil.
Oh no, my hair is falling every day. So dry, so rough. I cannot even go outside. People will laugh at me.
Is this a problem to dry hair fall, no shine? Don't worry. Here come the solution. The presenting the Shiny Star Hair Oil. 100% natural with coconut and almond vitamin E.
Oh, really? Another oil? But I tried many oil, they don't work.
This is not just a oil. It is Shiny Star Hair Oil. Massage only 5 minutes and see the magic.
Ah, feel so relaxing. Oh wow, my hair is soft, shiny and no more hair fall. I feel confident now.
Yes, with Shiny Star Hair Oil, you will shine like a star. Shiny Star Hair Oil. Strong hair, shiny hair, confident you. One oil, magic for you.
Now our next product is health drink.
Do you want to fight with me?
Yes.
You are weak.
Doctor.
Stop! Wait! Stop crying. Now tell me.
Everybody calls me weak. What should I do?
You must try Vitavon.
What is Vitavon?
It gives you strength, energy and sharpen your mind.
Will it make me strong?
Yes, you just try.
Vitavon!
Do you also drink this Vitavon?
Yes.
Let's be friends. Vitavon Supernova.
Gluppy, fluffy, fruity, fun, tasty drink for everyone. Strength and energy far and wide. Drink it fast, feel the might.
Now next product is adhesive.
Yay! I won!
What happened, Aradhya?
Bhaiya, my trophy is broken.
Don't fear when Sticky Vicky is here.
Sticky Vicky? What is Sticky Vicky?
Yes, Sticky Vicky, come, I will show you.
Yay! Thank you, Bhaiya.
It changed your item completely. Sticky Vicky, stick it fast. Make a bonding super last. Broken toys, a wooden chair. Sticky Vicky, always there.
The next product is English app.
How's your test going, Lavanya? So horrible.
What happened? Why are you two crying?
Because our English test did not went well, so that's why we are crying. Our grammar section was too horrible.
Oh, so don't you know about that wonderful English app which helps you improve your English speaking skills?
What is this, ma'am?
Vidyarjan.
Vidyarjan? What is this, ma'am?
English is a language which is to be acquired. Whenever you feel English learning is required, only one thing is to be acquired, which is Vidyarjan. We have a wise suggestion for you.
Download Vidyarjan app. Whenever we watch advertisement, when we must think logically, don't follow blindly. Don't follow blindly. We are sensible, we are brilliant. We are sensible, we are brilliant. Everything that glitters, everything that glitters is not gold, is not gold, is not gold, is not gold. We are sensible, we are brilliant. We are sensible, we are brilliant.
Thank you. Think twice, buy wise. Ads are meant to attract us. We should not follow everything we see. It's smart to look beyond catchy ads and check facts.
Let's be wise consumers and decide carefully. Choose what's right for you. Now, I would like to call upon the stage Ekta and Kavya.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bhaurav Devra Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Noida. Today activity is all about pronoun. Do you know those little words like he, she, it and they that makes our sentence smoother and our speech cooler? Let's start with an anchoring.
Good morning to all present here. I am Ekta Upadhyay
And Kavya Yadav.
We are students of class 7th A.
Ekta, do you know what is pronoun?
Yes, Kavya, I know, but I would like to recall it. So let's recall pronoun.
Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. I repeat, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun.
Kinds of pronoun. There are 6 kinds of pronoun.
Personal pronoun,
Interrogative pronoun,
relative pronoun,
demonstrative pronoun,
indefinite pronoun.
reflexive pronoun.
Kavya, do you know all these words of first person, second person, third person pronoun?
Yes, Ekta, I know, but I would like to recall it.
So let's recall. First person singular.
I. First person plural.
We. Second person singular.
You. Second person plural.
You. Third person singular.
He.
She.
It. Third person plural.
They. Let's know about all the helping verbs of pronoun. First person singular helping verb.
I.
I am.
First person plural helping verb.
We are. Second person singular helping verb.
You are. Second person plural helping verb.
You are. Third person singular helping verb.
He.
Is.
She.
Is. It. Is.
Third person plural helping verb.
They are. Let's frame a few sentences.
I am a boy.
I am a
Boy. I am a boy.
I am a girl. I am a girl. I am a girl.
We are girls.
We are girls.
We are girls.
He is a boy.
He
Is a
boy. He is a boy. She is a girl.
she is
A
girl.
she is a girl.
It is a toy. It is
A toy. It is a toy. They are girls.
Now to take this program forward with grace and energy, let's welcome Gungun and Pooja.
Good morning everyone, respected guests, principal sir, teachers and all my friends.
My name is Pooja.
My name is Gungun.
We are from
Class 6 study. Pooja, do you know what is preposition?
Yes, Gungun, do you also know what is preposition?
Yes, preposition is a word that used with noun and pronoun.
Used with noun and pronoun to make it relation with another word like it and with etc. Let's start a song of preposition. All the students of preposition song, please come on the stage.
On the bed a pillow for his head. My daddy is on the bed a pillow for his head. My school bag is in the car, it's not very far. My school bag is in the car, it's not very far. My slippers are under the mat, where is the cat? My slippers are under the mat, where is the cat? My book is near the lamp, let's go to the camp. My book is near the lamp, let's go to the camp. The kites are flying sky, oh so very high. The kites are flying sky, oh so very high. My bed is on the ground, making a happy sound. My bed is on the ground, making a happy sound. The water is in the glass, let's drink it very fast. The water is in the glass, let's drink it very fast. My cat is near the gate, I hope I'm not too late. The cat is near the gate, I hope I'm not too late. My friend is near the swing, ready to sing. My friend is near the swing, ready to sing. My ball is under the bench, let's grab it with our hand. My ball is under the bench, let's grab it with our hand. My mom is near the shop, let's go and hop. My mom is near the shop, let's go and hop. My brothers are on the bus, be quiet and hush. The flowers are on the bus, be quiet and hush. The pencils are in the cup, time to clean up. The pencils are in the cup, time to clean up. The shoes are under the desk, let's finish our test. The shoes are under the desk, let's finish our test. The park is near my school, it's very cool. My park is near my school, it's very cool. The milk is in the jug, a very big mug. The milk is in the jug, a very big mug. A clock is on the wall, very hall. The clock is on the wall, a very big hall. The fish is on the tank, sitting on a bank. The fish is in the tank, sitting on a bank. The cricket is under the stone all alone. The cricket is under the stone all alone. The temple is near the well, can you tell? The temple is near the well, can you tell?
Thank you. Thank you. Wow, what an amazing song. I hope everyone like it. Let us call upon the stage Prachi Didi and Mehak Didi. Thank you.
Thanks to our esteemed principal for his unwavering support of this initiative.
Sir, your belief in us made this event possible.
And our heartfelt gratitude also goes to all the teachers who kindly allowed us to practice during their valuable periods.
I would like to extend our gratitude to our incredible English teacher, Mrs. Sarita Ghosh ma'am. Let's give them all a big round of applause for their constant support.
This brings the activity to close and we look forward to more such engaging movements ahead. Thank you.
A warm good morning to all present here. I am Ritika from class 10th A. Today I am here to host an act which is based on the reality of the millions of students who are pressurized so much so they cannot see anything beyond the marks. The name of our play is The Silent Cry. Now I am going to introduce our characters: Baski as victim's lawyer, Kritika as defense lawyer, Shweta as the judge, Mukta as the coaching head, Mehak as the principal, Chavi as the victim's friend, Yajush as victim's teacher, Tanmay as victim's father, Dhruv as education minister, Siddharth as education minister assistant, and at the last, Anand as the victim's neighbor. Let the play begin.
This court is in a very serious session to hear a case of a student who tragically ended his life after failing the board exams. The question before us is, who bears the responsibility? Now let's proceed.
My lord, I am Baski Jha, I am the victim's lawyer. This child is dead because marks were valued more than his life. His teachers, his family, his society all just crushed him for marks. He was not given dignity, he was only given marks. That was my point, Your Honor, and this is my case file.
Your Honor, I am Kritika Divedi, the defense lawyer of the education system today. Many students fail in their exam and most of them recover. One tragedy does not mean that our entire system is guilty. Suicide is a personal act, not an institutional murder. This is the file of my case.
Your points are noted, but let the witness speak for themselves.
My lord, I would like to invite victim's father in the witness box.
Permission granted.
Sir, do you really think that the system is responsible for your heartbreaking tragedy?
Yes, he said the life was over if he failed. The fear was planted in him by this system.
Objection, my lord, I have a question.
You can ask.
But sir, didn't you still encourage your child to work harder? Parents too should put expectations. Should all the blame fall on the schools?
We expected efforts, not death. He was a child, not a machine.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now.
Your Honor, now I would like to invite victim's best friend in the witness box.
Permission granted.
So you are the victim's best friend, am I right?
Yes.
He must have told you about his mental health, his mental pressure, his peer pressure. Can you share this with the court?
Yes, he said, if I fail, I have no future. He was terrified of his parents' shame, teachers' judgment, and relative gossip. He believed life had no meaning without marks. I know you're emotional because of your friend's death, but you should not disrespect our court by lying here.
My witness is not lying at all, my lord.
I swear, I'm telling the truth.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now.
Your Honor, now I would like to invite victim's class teacher in the witness box.
Permission granted.
So you are the victim's class teacher, am I right? Yes. He must have. You knew that your school was somewhere lacking the correct direction for students' career, but you didn't pay attention to them. You chose not to pay attention to them. Is this how a teacher plays his job? Is this how a teacher plays his responsibility?
Yes, I pushed for grades. The syllabus is heavy, the competition is tough. I thought I was motivating, but maybe I ignored it.
Objection, my lord. But sir, you were only doing your duty. Shouldn't the students also compete? Isn't discipline necessary in schools?
Discipline should not cost a child's life.
Any question?
No, my lord.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now.
Your Honor, now I would like to invite the Honorable Education Minister in the witness box.
Permission granted.
Sir, is your system so hard that it cost the life of an innocent student?
Yes, the system is competitive. We admit that it can be harsh. It's upon the student if they take it harshly or in the challenging way.
Let's look at some records, Mr. Minister. Even today, 56% of students have fallen the victim of depression and 60% of them have no mental support. Who's guilty here? Where are the reforms we were talking about?
Playing with words here. Order. If you want to say something, you may come to the witness box.
My friend has died because of this harsh system. You pressurize students so much that they are not able to see anything beyond marks. He needed a psychologist, but because of the fear of failure, he never tried to tell his parents about his mental illness.
My witness is not lying at all in this court, my lord.
Order. If you want to say something, you may come to the witness box. Mr. Education Minister, you may go and sit now. And Ms. Principal, you may come to the witness box.
Sorry, my lord. You are also a student. How can you blame our coaching institute? None of our students have ever failed yet. This time you are just emotional because your friend's dead. In the eyes of worried parents, coaching institutes have become money printing machines that are keeping close watch on the insecurity of students and guardians. You have pressurized students so much that they are not able to see anything beyond marks.
Order. You all are doing the same mistake again and again. This is so disrespectful towards the court. If you want to say something, you may come to the witness box. Miss Coaching Head, you may go and sit now. And Miss Principal, you may come to the witness box to say your point.
I am sorry, my lord. Your friend was not prepared for exam. My lord, the education system cannot be blamed here. It was his fault to stay quiet about his mental stress. When education becomes a business, student becomes a victim, Miss Principal.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now. Victim's friend.
So, Miss Principal, even today we witness instances where individuals have to give up their potential, but this time is due to organizational scams, biased schemes, and mishandling of laws by modern day Dronacharyas like you.
My school is not corrupted at all. How can you say this? Where is the proof?
The victim is the proof himself.
I have realized my mistake made by me. I apologize on behalf of my whole school for not paying attention to this important issue. I accept my mistake.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now.
Your Honor, now I would like to have the permission to call the victim coaching institute head in the witness box.
Permission granted.
What do you want to say in the defense of the education system, as you are also handling a big and successful coaching institute yourself? My lord, many students like him study in my institute, but none of them has committed a similar act, and we can't blame my institute or the whole education system. Just because a single student committed suicide, my lord, I am not the one to blame here.
Your attitude shows everything about your personality, your mindset.
Mr. Baski, you cannot talk about my client like this.
Any questions?
No, my lord.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now. This court has heard enough. Now I am going to give my verdict. Stop. Please introduce yourself first.
I am the assistant of our Honorable Education Minister. Your Honor, I have the evidence that prove that our education system is not guilty for that. Your Honor, I have the evidence that prove that our education system is not guilty for that. I have the record of victims' high screen time, his low gambling addiction, and his low academic score that prove that our education system is not guilty for that. Your Honor, his parents is so strict, so he committed suicide and he could not express his feelings.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now. Mr. Baski, do you have to say something?
Not yet, my lord.
This session will continue after the lunch break.
After the lunch break,
Mr. Baski, do you have to say something in your defense, or should I give my verdict?
My lord, I have a witness, Mr. Anand. who can prove that our education system is guilty and the victim is not guilty here. I would like to have the permission to call Mr. Anand in the witness box, who is his close friend and his neighbor.
Permission granted.
Your Honor, I have the records of the victim's parents.
Here are the records, my lord.
Bank account transaction, and there were no transfer of money in gambling games. Your Honor, all the records were fake and they were illegally made.
Your point has been noted. You may go and sit now. This court has heard enough. The victim's lawyer has proven the truth. Parents may carry love, friends may carry loyalty, but the education system carry the unbearable weight. I give my verdict that the education system must pay attention to the ground reality and justice through the coaching campaign and the advocate development for the students' growth.
Thank you everyone for watching our act and appreciating our effort. In the end, the victims got his justice and the education system was proven guilty. From this act, we wanted to present the reality of our country, and we hope children like this will get their justice. Thank you so much.
What a performance! I would request all of you to give a very right tight hand applause for this great performance. Respected dignitaries, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends, today we gather to honor and reflect upon the pivotal chapter in our nation's history, Operation Sindoor. This operation stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to the national security. Operation Sindoor was a strategic military initiative launched by the Indian government on 7th May 2025 on the quick, tragic response to the Pahalgam attack which took place in 22 April 2025. Today, a school NCC cadet, both boys and girls, will perform a performance which will encapsulate all the essence, history, movement of Operation Sindoor as well as Pahalgam attack. Now, all up to them. Thank you so much. If you must kill, then kill me, but leave her alone. We are Hindus and we are proud to be one.
What happened, my sister?
Prime Minister, Prime Minister.
Hello, Prime Minister, sir? There is a terrorist attack happened in Pahalgam. They killed everyone. Nobody is alive. Only one woman is alive and she only wants to talk with you. So please come immediately, sir.
What happened, my sister?
Sir, they have ruined us. They left none. They brutally killed us only for being Hindu, and they wanted answer from your side. Sir, please reply them.
Call the army headquarters. Hello, Sophia. There is an emergency in Kashmir, Pahalgam. Some terrorist attacks on our people. So please take charge of this and handle the situation.
He's there.
Sir, please forgive us. We do a very big mistake to attack on your country people.
But how can I trust you that you do not repeat the same mistake?
We gave surety that we don't do same thing in future as well. We respect your country people and country honor.
Okay, we Indians have big heart to forgive you. But always remember that Operation Sindoor is paused, not over. Now get lost.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mohini Sharma and I am a student of class 10th E. As we bring our exhibition to a successful conclusion, I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to our chief guest for joining us today. We are privileged to have him with us and I would like to invite him to the stage to share his valuable thoughts and guidance. His presence today inspires us and adds values to our exhibition. Please welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Prantiya Sangathan Mantri ji on the stage. Thank you.
दोनों हाथों पर उठाकर पूरे दम से बोलना, भारत माता की। इंग्लिश प्रोग्राम चल रहा था, अंग्रेजी में भी नारा लगाएंगे। मैं कहूँगा लव एंड सैल्यूट टू, आप बोलेंगे मदर इंडिया, मदर इंडिया, ठीक है। लव एंड सैल्यूट टू, लव एंड सैल्यूट टू, लव एंड सैल्यूट टू। जय ज्ञानदायिनी माँ सरस्वती, चराचर जगत में व्याप्त ओम, नित्य वंदनीय भारत माता के चरणों में प्रणाम। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। अभी आप लोगों ने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का एक्ट देखा। नवरात्रों का समय चल रहा है, आगे फिर दिवाली के उत्सव आने वाले हैं और इसको ग्लोरीफाई किया कल हमारी भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम ने किसको हराकर, तो पाकिस्तान को हराया। और वो जीत किसको डिवोट की उन्होंने, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर को। और भारतीय टीम के जो कैप्टन थे उन्होंने अपनी पूरी मैच फीस और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के आर्मी के जवानों और फैमिली को दे दी। तो उसी चीज़ को बहुत अच्छे ढंग से फेस्टिवल जो चल रहे हैं ना, आप लोगों ने नीचे भी बड़े अच्छे कार्यक्रम किए, स्टेज पे भी बहुत अच्छे कार्यक्रम किए इंग्लिश के ऊपर, जिसे मैं कहता हूँ आप लोगों ने द ब्लिस ऑफ इंग्लिश, इंग्लिश फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया है। तो एक बारी जो इतना अच्छा कार्यक्रम किया आप सब ने, उसके लिए जोरदार ताली अपने लिए बजा लो। हमारे देश में केवल 2% लोग अंग्रेजी जानते हैं, बट दे आर बेस्ट इन दी वर्ल्ड। अंग्रेजी कंपटीशन में जो वर्ल्ड के अंदर रहता है, पिछले 5 साल से कौन सा देश जीतता आ रहा है, भारत जीतता आ रहा है। इंग्लैंड के बच्चे नहीं जीत रहे, अमेरिका के बच्चे नहीं जीत रहे, जिनकी मदर टंग इंग्लिश है। कौन जीत रहा है, भारत के बच्चे। तो क्या दिखाते हैं कि मेहनत जो करेगा, तरीके से करेगा, वो आगे बढ़ेगा। अंग्रेजी सीखनी है, बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी सीखनी है, अंग्रेजी कल्चर नहीं सीखना। अंग्रेजी भी सीखनी है, पर जैसे आप लोगों ने सारे प्रोग्राम दिए, स्टेज पे भी किए, नीचे भी आपने रखे थे, अंग्रेजी भाषा में थे, परंतु भारतीय संस्कृति के ऊपर आधारित थे। इसलिए आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। हमें भारत को हर देश में आगे, हर फील्ड में आगे बढ़ाना है। मैंने सुना है आप लोगों ने खेलों के अंदर भी कुछ गोल्ड मेडल जीते हैं, जीता कोई गोल्ड मेडल हैं? तो अभी विज्ञान मेला होने वाला क्षेत्र का, उसमें भी आप लोग जाएंगे तो उसमें भी कुछ अच्छा मेडल जीत के आएंगे। पिछली बार भी हमारा स्कूल यानी अपना प्रांत विज्ञान मेले में नंबर 1 पे था। हमने अपने देश को रोज वंदना बोलते हैं ना, जग सिर मोर बनाए भारत। अपने देश को दुनिया का नंबर 1 देश बनाना है, जग सिर मोर बनाना है। कौन बनाएंगे? तो हमारे जैसे विद्या भारती के बालक, ये छात्र शक्ति इस देश को जग सिर मोर बनाएगी, यानी दुनिया में हर चीज़ में नंबर 1 बनाएगी। जग सिर मोर बनाने के लिए 5 चीज़ों की पावर चाहिए। पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर 4 चीज़ों की पावर है। पहला है आर्थिक शक्ति, इकोनॉमिकल पावर, उसमें भी होल्ड लगी हुई है। दूसरा है सैन्य शक्ति, मिलिट्री पावर, उसमें भी पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी हुई है। तीसरा है ज्ञान और तकनीक की शक्ति, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्निकल पावर, उसके अंदर भी पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी हुई है। और चौथा है स्पोर्ट्स पावर, खेलों की शक्ति। हमें इन चारों में तो नंबर 1 बनना ही है, इन चारों में तो पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर होल्ड लगी है। परंतु एक 5वीं शक्ति जो सबसे ऊपर है, वो केवल भारत के पास है, दुनिया में और किसी के पास नहीं है। उसमें हमने सबसे आगे जाना है, वो है हमारी आध्यात्मिक शक्ति। इन 5 शक्तियों के आधार पर हमने भारत को जग का सिरमौर बनाना है, नंबर 1 देश बनाना है। क्यों बनाना है? तो केवल भारत की धरती ऐसी है जो पूरे विश्व के कल्याण की बात करती है। आप सब लोग रोज मंदिरों में जाते हैं, पूजा घरों में जाते हैं, कथा कीर्तन में जाते हो तो नारे लगाते हो। मेरे साथ जोर के साथ नारा लगाना, आप सबको आता है। धर्म की, जोर से बोलो, धर्म की, अधर्म का, प्राणियों में, विश्व का, संपूर्ण विश्व का कल्याण कोई एक देश कर सकता है या कर रहा है तो केवल भारत करता है, दुनिया का और कोई देश नहीं करता। अभी अफगानिस्तान में भूकंप आया, 2500 लोग अफगान मारे गए। सबसे पहले सहायता भारत ने भेजी, सबसे पहले वहाँ पे फ़ोन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री ने किया। पीछे कोरोना आया था, कोरोना के अंदर सबसे अच्छी वैक्सीन भारत की बनी, हम सबको तो फ्री वैक्सीन लगाई। जिन देशों में वैक्सीन नहीं थी उनको भी वैक्सीन भेजी। पूरे विश्व का कल्याण कोई करेगा तो केवल भारत करेगा, ये भारत की शक्ति है। तो हम सब छात्र विद्या भारती के इस देश को 5 चीज़ों में आगे बढ़ाएंगे। ये छात्र शक्ति जो इन सब 5 शक्तियों का आधार बनेगी, वो भारत को जग सिरमौर बनाएगी, जो पूरे विश्व का कल्याण करेगा, कर रहा है। और जितने ताकतवर होते जाएंगे पूरे विश्व के कल्याण में आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे। तो केवल जब हम ऐसा काम करेंगे तो केवल हमें ही नहीं बोलेंगे, पूरी दुनिया हमारे साथ बोलेगी। एक बार दोनों हाथ ऊपर उठाकर फिर पूरे दम के साथ मेरे साथ बोलना, पूरी दुनिया हमारे साथ बोलेगी, भारत माता की जय, भारत जय हिंदुस्तान।
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।